we at PVV school prepare the child for holistic development. By holistic, I mean the development of the child physically as well as mentally. Mentally is academically, the child should be ready to face the global competition. We have all the sports facilities here in the campus like cricket, football, shuttle, badminton, swimming, and we give opportunities for the child to have a look at all the sports facilities so that he or she will be able to decide on which sport she or he is interested by the age of 8 or 9 years, so that they can concentrate on the sport which they are passionate about. Looking at the education system that we are already in, I thought we need to have a better facility for the children to face the global competition. And since we are lagging behind very much in sports facilities, I just wanted to create all the facilities for the children to use it and to the best of their ability, so that our children will be able to compete at national or international level. And in the process, they should not lag behind in the academics as well, since academics is most important, and I want the child to be developed both mentally as well as physically. Balance the time so that academically our teachers will be able to upgrade them, as well as physically. For sports also we balance the time so that they have sufficient time to participate in all the events, and so that by the time they reach 8 or 9 years old, they will be able to select their field of sport which they are passionate about. Just in the next 5 or 7 years, I wish our children participate in national events at least. We have a very good football ground with artificial synthetic turf, floodlights, and we have a very good cricket nets with natural turf, floodlights, bowling machine, everything is there. And we have very good coaches to coach the children. Apart from that, we have indoor shuttle courts, swimming pool which is temperature controlled, and ozone filtration swimming pool, so that children will be able to use all the facilities for their benefit. We have engaged coaches, very good coaches for all the sports facilities which we already have right now, and our children are using all the facilities. No, cultural activities are a part of our academics. Since without cultural activities, I feel education is not complete, because we have to nurture the children's skills and talents in cultural activities also, along with the academics and sports facilities. Basically, I want our children to be very much well aware of our traditions. Our traditions are the best in the world. That is the reason I want traditional methods of teaching to be blended with modern education, so that our children will be good at both. And culturally, I feel our culture is the best. The reason, this is the basic reason for which I am stressing more importance, giving more importance to cultural activities like dance, art, or whatever. Yoga is not just about physical activity. Generally, the term yoga is used to represent physical activity, but yoga is a holistic development of a child, where there are 8 steps in the yoga. We are preparing the child for all the 8 steps so that they will be very good at, they have a very good blemishless character, blemishless approach to the humanity on the whole. That is the basic principle of yoga. We have set up a very good laboratories for all the subjects. like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and language labs also we have set up so that our children will not lag behind in any of the activities, to give them the best of academics that is possible. All infrastructure has been clearly defined and set up. A good teacher is the one who connects with the children very well. Only when the teacher connects with the children, the child will be free to ask the questions to the teacher. Child will have that liberty to ask the questions, and child will develop to a great extent when the child is given that freedom. We have selected the tagline as tradition meets the talent, since the blend of both tradition and modern education is the best method to approach, and we have created all the infrastructure to meet this tagline. The basic principle of education is to create one of the best citizens for our country with all the talent and skills, to prepare the child to meet the global challenge. To meet the global challenge, the child should be well aware of the modern skills and talent. And for all those things, we need to provide the child the best of environment so that child is well prepared for the future. My dream is to have the students going into different streams like IITs, IIMs, IASC, in the field of education, in the field of sports. They should represent our country at the most, and this is what I foresee in the next 5 to 6 years. Due to the pandemic, online classes are going on, and we are not just doing online classes for the children. We are connecting with the parents, counseling them what to do, what not to do with the children, so that children will not face any problems at a later date when offline classes are started. And we are regularly connected with the parents as well as children, and our teachers are doing a very good job. Even after the online classes, they are connected with the children. If any queries are coming, they are happily answering, and they are updating the children very well. I don't want myself to be compared with any other school. I want our school to be the best in all aspects of education. Education, I mean holistic education. And for that, whatever is needed, I have already set up, and any further improvement regarding that will also be taken care for the good of our children. No, definitely, when I see anything good happening in any other institute, whether it is locally or outside our country, definitely I will try to put it into practice so that our children also will not lag behind.